Damien has hiccups. Can barely see it. It's a little tiny thud. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. See the little hiccups? There's one right there. Right there. My baby boy has hiccups. It's so strong you can even feel it. You can see that, right? He has hiccups. Yeah. Alright, this probably will last a while, so I'm not gonna keep filming, it's just hiccups. Say bye-bye, Damien. Say bye-bye, Damien. One more hiccup. Okay, that's it.